Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can change Kik group owner. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead and open your Kik application, and finally once you have done that, as you can see, this is my group right over here which I made recently, and you want to go ahead and open the group, and on the top you want to just tap on the group name. And once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and scroll all the way down, so it will show you all the members of your group, and you want to tap on the member who you want to go ahead and make the group owner. And once you have done that, as you can see, there is going to be a button called promote to admin, which is going to be basically a group owner role. So simply tap on promote to admin and simply tap on the promote button, and as you can see, they are going to be the owner of the group as well. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.